Welcome to Review Lab. The best iron remover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in a car care arsenal, capable of tackling those stubborn, baked-on iron particles that regular washing simply can't budge, leaving your paintwork looking dull and feeling rough to the touch. This powerful solution works by chemically breaking down and dissolving these contaminants, which often come from brake dust and industrial fallout, preventing them from etching into your clear coat and causing permanent damage. If you're serious about achieving a showroom-quality shine and protecting your vehicle's finish, understanding the nuances of these removers is paramount to making an informed decision that will yield superior results. Number 5. Chemical Guys Water Spot Remover Gel. Are you struggling with unsightly water spots that just won't budge? These mineral deposits can be a real headache for your vehicle's finish. We've developed a powerful gel formula designed to tackle even the toughest water spots. It's specifically engineered for automotive surfaces. This versatile remover is safe to use on your car's paint, windows, and chrome. You can trust it to clean without causing damage. Whether you own a car, truck, motorcycle, or RV, this product is your solution. Achieve a spotless shine with minimal effort. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a brilliant shine. This gel will restore the pristine look of your ride. Simply apply the gel, let it work its magic, and wipe away the spots. Experience professional results right at home. What we like. Tired of stubborn water spots ruining your car's shine? This heavy-duty remover is your solution. If you frequently deal with hard water stains or live in an area with mineral-rich water, this product will restore your vehicle's paint, glass, and metal to a pristine condition. What people say. It is a great product that works very well. This product is very effective at removing iron stains from cars. Number 4. Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Kit. Introducing the Clay Bar and Luber Kit from Chemical Guys. This essential detailing accessory is designed to remove embedded dirt, leaving your vehicle's surfaces perfectly smooth. Safely eliminate overspray, brake dust, and road grime with this powerful detailing clay bar. It restores slickness and prepares surfaces for advanced protection like wax or sealants. This kit is designed for clear coat, paint, glass, and polished metals. It's gentle enough for all vehicle colors and finishes, delivering professional results every time. Using this kit is easy. Simply spray the lubricant, glide the clay bar gently to lift away dirt, and wipe clean for a flawless, glass-like finish in minutes. Whether you're a car lover or a professional detailer, this kit is a must-have. Achieve a flawless base before polishing, waxing, or applying paint protection. This kit is ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, and more. It's safe for painted, coated, or wrapped surfaces, making it a versatile choice for any detailing project. What we like. Achieve that perfect, glass-like finish before waxing or sealing. This kit is ideal for detailing enthusiasts and professional detailers who want to ensure a flawless base for their paint protection. If you're serious about achieving the smoothest possible surface for maximum shine and protection, this is the kit for you. What people say. This product is a must-have for any car owner. It effectively removes iron particles from your car's paint, leaving it looking like new. I was amazed at how well this iron remover worked. It dissolved all the iron particles on my car's surface, and the results were incredible. The application of this iron remover is straightforward. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it off. It's that simple. Number 3. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. Tired of dull, oxidized metal? This powerful polish cuts through tarnish and stains, restoring a brilliant shine to your vehicle's chrome, aluminum, and stainless steel. It doesn't just clean, it protects. A durable sealant is applied, helping to resist future oxidation and keep your metal looking its best for longer. From your car's trim and exhaust tips to motorcycle parts and boat railings, this versatile formula works on a wide range of automotive and marine metal surfaces. Achieving a high-gloss shine is simple. Just apply with a microfiber or foam applicator, work it in, and buff away for a mirror-like finish. Don't limit its use to vehicles. This polish is also perfect for bringing a like-new shine back to household fixtures, kitchen hardware, and other decorative metal items. What we like. Bring back the brilliance to your car's metal accents. This polish is perfect for anyone with chrome, aluminum, or stainless steel parts that have lost their luster. If you want to restore and protect not only your vehicle's metal trim but also household fixtures, this is a fantastic all-around metal restorer. What people say. It works great on iron stains. This product effectively removes rust from car surfaces. The spray nozzle provides an even application. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Signature Series Wheel Cleaner. Tired of stubborn brake dust and road grime ruining your wheels? Introducing our advanced wheel cleaner, designed to tackle the toughest dirt. This powerful formula is safe for a variety of wheel finishes, including gloss, chrome, painted, powder-coated, and clear-coated surfaces. You can trust it to clean without causing damage. Watch as it effortlessly dissolves and lifts away brake dust, restoring the pristine look of your wheels. It makes cleaning easier than ever before. Beyond brake dust, it effectively cuts through stubborn road grime and everyday dirt. Keep your vehicle looking its best with minimal effort. Achieve a brilliant, like-new shine on all your wheels. This cleaner is your go-to solution for maintaining a show-stopping appearance. The convenient spray bottle ensures easy application, allowing you to cover your wheels quickly and efficiently. Get professional results at home. What we like. Keep your wheels looking immaculate, even after a long drive. This wheel cleaner is designed for car owners who want to easily remove tough brake dust and road grime without damaging their wheel finish. If you have gloss, chrome, painted, or powder-coated wheels and want a quick, effective cleaner, this is your go-to product. What people say. This product effectively removes iron particles from car surfaces. The spray application makes it easy to cover large areas. It changes color to purple as it works, indicating the presence of iron contaminants. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Remover. Tired of stubborn bug splatter and tar stains ruining your car's finish? This powerful cleaner is designed to tackle even the toughest grime. It loosens baked-on messes in seconds, making cleanup a breeze. Worry no more about damaging your vehicle's paint. This formula is safe for use on all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, and plastic. It cleans effectively without harming your car's finish. Say goodbye to aggressive scrubbing. Our fast-acting formula breaks down bug splatter and tar stains quickly. This means less effort for you and a cleaner car in no time. Incorporate this into your car washing routine as a pre-wash step. It helps remove bonded debris that can cause swirls and scratches, ensuring a smoother finish after your wash. Achieve maximum coverage by adding it to your wash bucket or foam cannon. It rinses away easily, leaving no streaks or residue behind for a spotless look. Essential for any road trip or summer drive, this cleaner handles the messes that come with warm weather adventures. Keep your car looking its best, no matter where you go. What we like. Don't let bugs and tar mar your car's appearance after a road trip. This remover is essential for anyone who enjoys long drives or lives in areas prone to insect splatters and tar. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean off stubborn contaminants without aggressive scrubbing, this product is perfect for you. What people say. This product is a game changer for removing iron particles from car paint. It effectively dissolves brake dust and other metallic contaminants, leaving a smooth finish. The spray application makes it easy to cover large areas and work into tight spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.